Hello guys, mga daga na mi. Nag-makeup naman mi di ba?
Hindi na may as.
Yes.
Hindi na kami asta.
Girly na mi.
And I've got black hair na. I don't have brown hair anymore.
Yes.
And we are here at
The library.
And what are we doing here?
Studying.
We?
Yes.
Studying or sleeping?
Sleeping. Tanawa, Erica. Here's Erica. Wake up, Erica. Wake up, Erica. Wake up.
Guys, we're so stressed na. Kasi next week, we're going to conduct na our research study. And tomorrow, we're having our reconnaissance
Survey. Survey.
era.
Magpa-note pa ta. Noted?
Magpa-note kami. And
Note
also, we're
tayo.
going to ask for a local to be our guide in our martial forest area. So, yes.
Dahil magbayad pa mi sa idyo.
Yes.
Charge.
And we don't have any money anymore.
Gai mi kwarta. Gai mi piso.
Good. So dirty.
Gai mi kwarta. Waward. We need money. A lot of money.
Yes.
Pagawa para ba ka?
Kasi i-upload ko to sa akin.
YouTube?
Yes. And that we have a lot of
Subscriber? Dapat ka subscribe ni akong video.
Subscribe me on YouTube.
Yes.
My name is Maricho. And with a smiley emoticon. Yeah.
Yes. Then comment. Lobu.
Subscribe.
Click the bell.
The notification bell to subscribe.
Yes. Dapat na po kayo laing doan.
Grabe siya na.
Diyan na. Ni mata na.
Here. Ni mata na ang among princess, si Erica May Mata.
Yes. Complete na mi uban. Para si Javi ako sa lambing na. Yes, yes.
Ano na, save na to eh. Save